Good evening, Deepika. Welcome to the session.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And you have given me opportunity.
You had your lunch.
Yes, I have had.
And you had your evening tea also.
No, I I don't have tea at evening time.
Okay. You are not fond of tea.
No, no, ma'am, I don't. I don't like tea too much.
Okay. So
And what about you? Do you like tea or?
I love tea. I love tea. I will have tea after this session. I like the masala
Okay.
tea, which has ginger, milk, sugar, everything. And I'm going to
Okay.
make a lovely cup of tea after this session.
Mm.
Please come
I
over.
have tea at morning time only. No, I don't like at evening time.
Okay. But you have tea in the mornings, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
I take tea at morning time.
So you have it with breakfast?
Yes, I have. Mhm.
I think 90% of Indian people, their breakfast is not complete without a piping hot cup of tea, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely right.
Yes, yes. So most of them are tea lovers. Where are you
Yeah.
speaking from?
Right now, I am in Lost family, and I have been married. It's been 4 months.
Oh, you got married 4 months ago?
Yes, yes, ma'am. In
Oh,
month of
wow.
November.
You got married in November. Congratulations. Okay. So
Thank
you
you
are
so much,
a
ma'am.
newlywed. How are you finding your, married life?
Yes, I find it's a lovely marriage, and yeah, I am happy with my lovely married life because my lost family, each and every member, so good and affable nature. I am very lucky to have a great family, and they each and every time support me.
Okay, all of them support you. So you live with your in-laws,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So where are you from?
I am from like in Karnal. Right now, I am in Karnal, Haryana.
Because I can see it's very cold where you are.
Yes, ma'am. It is very cold here in Haryana. So I feel cold like also. So that's why I am wearing this cloth, winter
Yeah.
clothes.
So you are wearing a sweatshirt. That is why I thought it must be cold there. Here also it's cold, but it's not very cold. So it's a bit chilly just in the mornings and evenings. That's it. So in the daytime, it's quite pleasant and sunny.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, what happened? What happened to me? I get up early morning around 4 o'clock. So since 4 o'clock, so I have to wear the cloth. So that's why in a whole day I take care myself.
You just got married. What do you do at 4 a.m. in the morning?
I do meditation, exercise, and do worship. So I have to get free around 7 o'clock. So I get free as usually till 9 o'clock. So I want to get up early morning. So I love getting up early morning. So that's why.
You spend 3 hours doing meditation and saying your prayers.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Okay. So, do you believe in law of attraction?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely right. I love, I believe in law of attraction as well as in universe. So at morning time I do. So in a whole day I feel enthusiasm and I feel good in a whole day.
Okay. So, when you meditate, it makes you feel great throughout the day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
So, why do you feel that, law of attraction works for us?
Because it's my personally opinion, whatever I think, so it happens in my life. So that's why I believe in, and sooner or later, sooner or later it happens. Whatever I think in my life, so it happens.
Okay. So, when you start thinking about something and start believing in something, that happens sooner or later.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So, you believe in destiny.
I believe in destiny as well as karma because I believe in hard work. If we do hard work, so definitely sooner or later we will achieve whatever we want to do. We want to achieve in our life.
Okay. So, what kind of meditation do? You focus on your breath or you do something else?
I do meditation, like I focus on name of God, Radha, Radha, Radha.
Okay.
So I do meditation half hour and pranayam and exercise I do, and while doing worship I do meditation. I sit half hour in front of the temple, so I do this thing.
Very good. And is your husband also religious? I mean, he's also into meditation or not?
No, no, he
No.
doesn't.
So does he
No,
say
ma'am,
what
he
you?
doesn't.
So does he
he,
ever say what
he
you keep
does
doing?
worship.
I mean, why do you do meditation? He says that.
No, no, he always supports me a lot, and he says to me, "No need to get up early morning. You should get up like around 6 o'clock. You can do meditation, exercise, whatever you want to do, but no need." But I like to get up early. I like getting up early morning, so that's why.
Just in case you're not able to wake up early, what do you feel? I mean, let's say you got up because of something like you went to a party and you came late, and next day you woke up at 8 a.m. So, do you feel bad?
Yeah, sometimes it happens. Suppose that I am outside and I would not get up early morning. So I can understand myself. But in case if I go to bed and due to some reason I would not get up, so that time I would not feel good because I miss the boat. I miss the boat to get up early morning.
Hmm. Okay.
So it's my habitual by the grace of the God. Doesn't matter at what time go to bed, around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I sleep. Okay, I dozed off my eyes, but on the other hand, I have to get up 4 o'clock. So automatically, my eyes open 4 o'clock.
Hmm. So whatever time you sleep in the night, I mean, you wake up at the same time every day. It happens
Yes, ma'am.
automatically without any alarm clock, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so when did you start meditation?
It's been 1 week. It's been today 1 week. So without missing a one day. So really, I am over the moon
Okay, so you have
because
been
I
meditating
wanted to this.
you have been doing meditation only for 4 days, last 4 days,
It's been 1 week. 1 week.
for just 1 week, right? एक हफ्ता पहले ही शुरू किया
Yes, ma'am.
means it's been just
Yes,
one
ma'am.
week,
Yes.
right? So before
Yes.
that, you didn't used to wake up at 4 o'clock.
No, ma'am, didn't. Actually, I wanted to get up early morning and I used to set the alarm, but I I used to off alarm and I slept again. So that time I felt very bad. But yeah, by the grace of the God, I have inculcated this habit to get up early morning, and it's been 1 week without one day missing. So really I feel over the moon.
That's great. That's amazing to know. So you wanted to get up early. That is why you have taken up this habit of meditation so that you can get up early every day, right?
Yes, ma'am, because I like meditation, yoga, and do worship because I believe in God a lot.
Okay. Okay. What else gives you happiness other than meditation?
Mm, to get, yes, to get up early morning and do meditation or worship, so it makes me happy.
Apart from these things, what else makes you happy?
When I interact to people in order to have conversation, so in a whole day is means is listening and speak. I do so it make me happy.
Okay. You have conversations with people regularly.
No, no, ma'am. I have started like 1 week. I have started for 1 week. So I do practice with my friend circle also.
Mm.
because I have to I have to develop my skills. So yeah, after getting married, so I talked to my husband in order to start my this journey. So he is ready to support me. So I have started also.
Is he good at English?
No, ma'am, but he is able to understand whatever I say to him.
Okay, so you are having conversations these days. On which app?
No, ma'am. Actually, sometimes Ace app I use, and on the other hand, I talk with my friend. 112 friends. I talk with them.
So they are good at English?
I can say it is intermediate level.
Mm.
They are intermediate level.
So they
So
also want
I
to improve their English. That is why you are all having, I mean, you are all connecting with each other every day. Mm.
yes, ma'am.
That's great. So you went to your honeymoon because you just got married?
No, ma'am. Actually, I don't like go to Hanuman. Actually, I want to I like go to Katra. Okay, so it is my dream. So yeah, sooner or later we will go, and maybe next month we will go there,
Okay, you didn't
Katra.
go on your honeymoon, but you want to go to Katra. So from Katra, you want to go to
Yes,
Vaishno Devi Mata?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have been to Vaishno Devi Mata so many times, and yeah, it feels so good when you do darshan and
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
Yeah. So have you ever been to
Okay.
Vaishno Devi Mata?
Actually, ma'am, first time I went there, it's been 2 years. So, due to winter season, so I didn't enter in the temple. So, we returned
Because of
from
winter
there.
season, you didn't enter the temple. Why?
Actually, first of January, we went there, and my friend's husband went there, and first time they walked a lot. Okay, so he tired a lot, and after that, his health started deteriorating. So due to which we returned.
So you had reached, I mean, you had walked up the hill. आप चढ़ाई कर
Yes,
चुके
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You had
We
climbed the
walked.
mountains and you had gone up the hill. After that, you returned
Yes, ma'am.
because it's so difficult to go up the hill. And after that, returning without darshan is something you can't even imagine.
Yes, ma'am, but it was my dream. But in a positive way, by the grace of the God, I went there. No matter we darshan there or not, matter is that God has called us
Okay,
in
so
a
you went
positive
there
way.
only once, and even then you could not do darshan. So now you will go with
Yes,
your
ma'am.
husband. Okay,
Yes,
visit
ma'am.
Vaishno Devi and do darshan for the very first time in your life.
Yes, ma'am. So that's why it is my dream to go there.
Okay, so okay, what made you so interested to learn spoken English?
Come again, ma'am.
Why did you? I mean, how did you think of learning English?
Actually, after completing my graduation, so I was thinking, what should I do for my career? So I didn't have any option apart from English. So my English was not up to the mark. So I thought I have to work on it. So I joined many offline classes and institute. So I didn't get fluency and not good in my side. So after that, I started working on myself at home with my friends. So yeah, by the grace of the God, so I started working on it. And this is actually I want to learn English language. First, I want to be a teacher. Okay, and on the other thing, if I interact to the people, so I can able to speak English with them. I can interact and have conversation.
Would you mind if I correct your mistakes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, why not?
See, I can able is a wrong sentence. I will be able to do this. Yeah, I am able to do this. I was able to do this. I was not able to do this. I can do this, but I can able is wrong. Can and able can't come
Okay.
together. Okay. So let's try a
Okay,
few
ma'am. Thank you so
sentences
much.
so that you have a clear idea how to use can and able, but they can't come together. I can swim, but he is not able to swim. I can swim, but he is not able to swim. Can, able can't come together. I am able to swim, but he is not able to swim. Right?
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
like this, you
Right.
can use it. So, I can swim, but he cannot swim. I am able to swim, but he is not able to swim. We can use it this way. Hmm. Okay.
Okay,
So,
thank you, ma'am, so much for
you have,
correcting me.
you're welcome. Okay, tell me, have we connected earlier? No?
Yeah, ma'am, it's been 6 months. 6 months
Oh,
earlier we connected.
okay. We have
That
connected
time
earlier also.
my elder sister got passed away. I told you that time.
Okay, okay, okay. Your elder sister passed away. Right, right. Now I remember. At that time, at that time you were not married.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
That time I will not.
You are looking completely different.
How, ma'am?
Your face doesn't look familiar at all. So your in-laws are
Okay.
good. I mean, your in-laws are good.
Yes, ma'am. All our members are too good, and really they support me a lot. And I told my mother-in-law I have a session with ma'am. So at 5 o'clock, so she went out from my room and said to me, "Okay, you can have conversation, you can have session."
She's very sweet.
So really, yes, yes, ma'am. I'm very lucky to have a good family.
Wow, that's great. So you and your husband, do you spend enough time with each other, or he is always busy with work?
He spends time with me whenever he gets free, and right now he is at home. He has come from office, so he said to me, if you were if you had told me you would be busy, so I would not come to home. So I said to him, I have a session only for half an hour. So he said to me, okay, after 15 minutes I will go. I said,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, he comes home early because of you. So he says that
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you had told me that you had a session, I wouldn't have come at 5. I would have come later, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
How to imbibe vocabulary?
I would say don't cram vocabulary from dictionary or any book. When you are reading or when you are watching some content, some English content, whenever you are consuming some English content, you will get to learn some new vocabulary, new phrases, new idioms. Then you will learn the meaning in context. So don't learn them by heart separately. So just learn new vocabulary from like we are talking to each other. If you come across a new word, just learn that word, but don't make a list of new words or phrases or idioms. That method doesn't work because I have also tried it and so many people have tried that. That doesn't work because we tend to forget whatever we learn. But when you learn in
So,
context through a conversation, through
hmm,
a movie, you can recall that vocabulary because you have understood the meaning.
okay, I do. I read. I have started reading book, which is Champak.
Okay.
So,
Champak in English, right?
yes, 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 ma'am. Champak in
So in every
English.
story, you will find at least two, three new words.
Yes, ma'am. I have what is called. I have found new vocabulary. So which were I underlined.
Okay.
Yes, if I come across new vocabulary, so first I underline and go for GPT chat, and I search a meaning. What is the meaning exactly, and where I can use it. I do like this. I
Wow.
have started this thing.
That is a very good way. So that is a nice way of learning new vocabulary. Learn 5 to 6 new words or phrases or idioms and then try to use them the next day.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. So I'll do this thing also.
Lovely. It was so lovely connecting with you and all the best. You have improved so
Yes,
much.
ma'am. And thank you so much, ma'am, for giving my feedback because earlier time I forgot to ask about my feedback. What is my level? So right now you have given me. So thank you so much,
Yeah.
ma'am.
You have improved a lot and just keep practicing. Okay, then bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Yeah, same to you.